I would like to single out the laser. When we speak about light, is different frequencies. Laser is specific, well-defined frequencies. And as you can see, what is the curve is not going up? Please tell me, except this one. What is the curve which is not going up? And here in South Africa, we have a huge expertise that we should really rely on. In that sense, I would like just to share the projection, what is believed in a number of, in New Zealand, Australia, Japan, China, the US, and Brazil. What are the expectations here? Is that if there was no fuel price down, this one would be high. Unfortunately, the price of fuel is down and the photovoltaic will go down for at least 10 years. Nonetheless, the display, and this is more or less in €1 billion. As you can see, the two major ones are the display and the photovoltaics. Here, we in South Africa, we have a really to pop in. We have a really to pop in as much as the IT, which is the fiber optics, in particular the technology of Nxobo, Dr. Nxobo and Dr. Andrew Forbes. We have a really to jump in. In Africa, what we have achieved, are we shy? Are we more or less late? No, we are not late. This is Ahmed Zivail. If Nobel Prize Committee would be fair, they should give him a second Nobel Prize. Because this gentleman, an Egyptian as he is, he was the first one to come with ultra-fast chemistry. How CO2, how H2O, water molecule, form. How, in his case, he managed to show how the dynamic takes place. So therefore, he is an inventor of the 4D electron microscopy. They gave it to 2 British scientists, 3 German scientists. I must admit, he must have it. I really believe in it because as an, how can I say, as a scientist, because not because he's an African, he's a member of the diaspora in the Caltech, no problem. At the end of the day, it is important to recognize beauty where it is beauty. And it brings me to something. It brings me to something, dear Chair, and I will stop in that sense. South Africa has given a huge contribution to the world when it comes to photonics and light. They gave birth through Max Michaelis. I wish if all of you knew who is this gentleman. He is a gentleman in the British sense of the word. Max Michaelis is a very gentle, kind, and he was the first one who showed that we can use a plasma gas. I wish if somebody will equate him now. I don't believe, but well, let's hope. Max Michaelis was the first one to show that if you have a high laser intensity, you cannot have a material which can stand at high laser intensity with ablate. But he was bright from Zululand, from KwaZulu-Natal, said, no, I will take it as a gas, and I will control the gas density, and I will make it as a lens. That is Max Michaelis. Thank you.